Hello everyone, welcome back to Steamcode and welcome back to another episode of our Discord.js bot. So in this video, we're going to be creating a ban command using Discord.js. And so the first thing I want you guys to do is hop into where we created our kick.js. We're basically going to copy this exact code or this exact template. And just in case you missed that video, I'll be going over all the lines of code that we wrote then. So let's create a new file. Let's call this ban.js because that will be the name of our command. And let's paste everything we've copied from kick.js and let's change some things around to make it fit within this context. So first let's change the name to ban. And before we do all that, let's go over what we've required. So constant/command builder equals require discord.js/builder. So make sure you add that at the top. And then module.exports equals, and then this is basically the basic format of what we've had for each of our commands thus far. So the description will set to bans the member specified in the command for the specified period of time. And then once we execute this, we need to determine whether the sender is authorized. So we create a variable called sender has permission, and that's equal to message.member.roles.cache.sum, and then head admin. What this line is basically saying is sender has permission is true or false, depending on whether the sender of the message has the role head admin. So only head admins, as you can see here, that's what I am. So only head admins have the permission to execute this task. And then the member to kick is the member that's mentioned first in that command. So you can say ban and then Steam code. And then say you have another person here, so Steam code bot. The first person that's mentioned is the person that the bot will kick. Now, if the sender does not have permission, we're going to reply to the message that the sender sent, saying that you do not have permissions to execute this task. And we're going to return, meaning that nothing below this line will execute in the program. And then if the sender does have permission, then we're going to say that they do have permission to do this task. And I just have a little ha 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 at the end. And then let's actually execute the task. So first let's change this variable to member to ban. And then let's say member to ban dot ban. And then you can specify the number of days you'd like to ban this member for. So have curly braces and then days, colon, and the amount of days you'd like to ban them for. So let's say 7. And then you can also have a reason. They spammed in chat. And that's basically all you really need. So once you've checked the permissions, and once you've gone through that process, then all that really comes to it is running this function ban. And sadly, I will not demonstrate this because I do not want to ban anyone in here. But if you run into any problems, make sure to either mention me in the comments down below or head over to our Discord channel where I will most likely respond faster. But this has been Steam Code. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.